Okay, Tal, busy week. Let's see what made the Intense 5. Oh,
Hey.
Cardi B is going to take up a residency in Vegas.
It's true that Cardi got a residency in Las Vegas in the Palms.
Yup, she says usually that is reserved for legends, and while she's not calling herself that, she says she brings the ladies out who in turn bring out the big spenders. Do you think, Cardi?
Yeah.
Chris Brown arrested in Paris for allegedly raping a woman, which he denies. Turns out she wasn't telling the truth, and now he's suing her for defamation.
Yes. To just leave Chris alone.
I know, like, come on, everything them want trouble him out.
Spice and Destra team up on a dancehall soca track.
We hold the world record local and abroad, and we bumper deserve an award.
Lots of bumpers rolling.
Yeah. Kanye for president? The Kardashians need to put their energy elsewhere.
And finally holding the spot this week, mixed reactions about Minister Tufton's response to the Long Walk to Freedom tour with Buju Banton. He thinks Buju should be using this medium to lead the fight against drug trafficking and drug abuse. What do you think? That's it for the Intense 5. Remember, you can send your 5 to Instagram and Facebook at TBJ Intense.